Tutorial for descending plus wings. Add video to Capcut. Take a screenshot of the jump. Import to Pixart and cut out the person. Add motion blur. Add as overlay. Cut the end and put it as first clip. Match the overlay to the video frame. The video should start from the point the overlay is matching. Add slide down animation. Import green screen wings. Use chroma to get rid of green. Adjust the color of the wings. Match the wings with the sticker. Split wing overlay where sticker stops. Copy wing overlay. Use left wing first. Use keyframes to match the wing to the person. By now it should look like this. Use the copy for the right wing.